Manjula Athani, HOD of Computer Department at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. As you remember, we were started with Advanced Java Programming is a subject of CO and IF department. The first unit and unit 2 videos are already uploaded. Here we will see the unit 3, that is event handling. After watching this video, the students will able to understand the following outcomes, unit outcomes. So first one, use delegation event model for a given problem. Use AWT and swing components to handle a given event. Use adapter classes to solve the problem and use inner classes to solve a given problem. The total weightage of this chapter is 12 marks. So what is how much weightage it is? 12 marks. Here in this chapter we will see the first topic is the delegation event model. What is delegation event model? We will study here. This is what first unit outcome. So the modern approach to handling the event is based on delegation event model, which defines standard and consistent mechanism to generate and process the events. The concept is quite simple. Source generates an event and sends it to one or more listeners. In this scheme, the listener simply waits until it receives an event. Once received, the listener processes the event and then returns. Source always generates the event and sends to the one or more listeners. So listeners will wait until it receives the event. After listening the event, listener processes the event and then returns. So in this event delegation model, listeners must register with a source in order to receive an event notification. In this event delegation model, listener must register with the source in order to receive the notification. This provides an important benefit that notifications are sent only to the listeners that want to receive them. Here diagrammatically we will see that source will generate the event. This concept is very simple. Source generates an event and sends one or more listeners, and it will send the notification to the listeners, and listeners will register with the source. How listeners will register with the source? Using some method. Using add method, listeners should register with the source and source will send the notification to the listeners, and listeners will generate the actions, what to perform. That will be, listener is a interface that will perform the action. Next, so event. In this delegation model, event is an object that describes the state change in the source. That means what? Suppose button is there, clicking on, initially it is unselected. When you click on this, it is selected. So event is an object that describes the state in the change. Suppose you are ticking the check box. Initially it is unchecked state. When you are clicking on this check box, it is a tick mark is coming, that is the selected state. One is unselected and other is a selected. So this event is an object. Then checkbox is a component that will generate the event. That source is the checkbox. Is it clear? Event is an object. Each and everything in Java goes on through the object oriented. So each and everything contains in this Java is object only. So event is an object that describes the state change in the source. It can be generated as consequence of person interacting with the elements in graphical user interface. When user will interact with the graphical user interface, the events will be generated. See here, some of the activities that cause the events to be generated are pressing button, entering a character via keyboard, and selecting an item in the list and clicking the mouse. Many other user operations could also be cited as an example. When will be the event generated? So these are the example: clicking on the mouse, selecting the item in the list, and pressing the character from the keyboard. So these are the events. And events may occur that are not directly caused by the interactions. So these are what? These are the events by interacting with the user. And some of the events are there that are caused by not directly caused by the interaction with the user interface. For example, event may be generated when the timer expires, counter exceeds the value, a software or hardware failure occurs, or operation is completed. So these are the examples of the events.